I used to think I was doing everything right. Eating clean, meditating, journaling, achieving goals, growing, giving back. But I still had this strange, silent sense of depletion I couldn't name. Like something essential in me had been running on empty for years. And I only noticed it because I'd been filling every corner of my day with stimulation, not renewal. Then one sentence changed everything. What if the soul isn't an idea, but a body? Not metaphorical, not poetic, not symbolic. A real energetic body, as real as your lungs or bones, only totally forgotten by modern life. And if that's true, then most of what we call healing, growth, or transcendence has been aiming in the wrong direction. Because you can't educate your way out of energetic starvation. You can't think your way into charge. You can't meditate a dead battery back to life. But you can feed it energy, and there is a practice designed for this exact purpose, developed not in the language of belief, but of breath, posture, rhythm, and voice. A ritual calibrated to cosmic and solar currents like a tuning fork. And when you step inside it, the energetic body begins to receive, not someday, not with devotion, not after long practice. Immediately, viscerally, mechanically, you feel it like your first deep breath after being underwater too long. A lift, a hum, a reanimation. It's not symbolic, it's not psychological. It's engineered. And all it asks is that you step into the form, not to fix yourself, or improve yourself, or even understand anything, just to allow life force to move into the parts of you that have gone dark for years. And when that happens, clarity sharpens, vitality wakes, and you finally feel like you've come online. You don't need new beliefs, you need new charge. And there's a way to get it, an ancient way. Click the link, and I'll show you how.